The birdie field.
Look at them, it's like time stopped.
Yeehaw era.
Old McDonald's.
Oh, McDonald's.
Yeah, got that. Yeah, it's pretty fucking downhill. I'm just hitting the brakes and still trying to go faster. Of course it's a Prius that's holding us all back.
Motherfucker.
It's a fucking Prius.
Big boy gonna try his 45. Don't worry, we're playing it safe. We got protection. Very lovely. I did a dirty joke without knowing it. Alright,
Hit.
get her done.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah, it's all good. Don't Block 21 and 45 ACP. Let's give it a go. Very lovely. I like it. Got extra kick. Chamber's clear. Very lovely. Stevie, let's bring back the target. And look at that, not the best, but at least they all hit. But yeah, trying to aim here over time. It got lower and hit it lower abdomen.
Can't get that last one. 8. Get that.
Try to go for the head this time.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, I was expecting a river and I got shit. There's a bridge over there. Fuck this, man. There's probably a creek over there, but yeah, fuck it. Where the fucking dinosaur bird? Whoa. There goes the dinosaur. There you go. It's all about that patriotic shit. They even got speakers. Holy shit. Oh, it's so peaceful. There's the Mobile.